Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional website using the IONOS website builder using the latest technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to establish their studio-level online presence and maintain a high-end edge in their latest market analysis. Let's get into it. First, access the latest service gateway. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional digital environment. You need to enter the main technical portal to select the foundation for your latest studio project. Open your browser and navigate to ionos.com. Review the available options and select the plan that mechanically fits your high-end professional needs. In the latest standards, choosing the correct plan is a professional standard. It technically prepares your workspace for high-end expansion, ensuring your studio has the technical resources required for the latest market demands. Next, initialize the Studio Template Protocol. Once you are mechanically inside the dashboard, you must choose a visual architecture that identity maps to your professional brand. Move to the Website Builder section and browse the high-end library to use one of the templates. Choose a high-end design that mechanically aligns with your studio aesthetic. A professional template is a mechanical necessity for the latest web performance. It technically ensures your latest bookkeeping of design elements starts with a high-end structured framework. Next, define technical brand parameters. Now you need to bridge the gap between your professional labor and the latest digital interface by technically inputting your core business data. Follow the setup prompts to add your business name and category. Carefully technically select your color palette from the high-end options provided to ensure brand consistency. And then add your contact details, including email, phone, and professional address. This final check is a professional standard for the latest market. Once you start customizing, your high-end website is technically evolving into a professional tool, ready to represent your studio in the latest digital landscape. And that's pretty much it. To build your site in the latest version, go to ionos.com, select your plan, and technically use a high-end template. Add your business name, category, and color palette, then input your contact details for professional reach. Finally, start customizing in the Studio Editor to ensure your latest web presence is technically perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.